Hello again, this is Tim Haggerty with the Virtual Training Company C++ Fundamentals videos. We're working through statements here, and now we're going to talk about the jump statements. The jump statements perform immediate local transfer of control. So they go from one spot in the program to another immediately. They don't allow a loop to continue or things like that. There are 4 of them: break, continue, return, and go to. So let's take a look at each of them in turn. These are, again, basic fundamentals, so we won't spend a whole lot of time on them and look at a bunch of code in that, but I just want to make sure you're aware of them. The break jump statement, if it's found within a loop, it causes the loop, like a for or a while or a do while, causes the loop to end, and the next statement outside the loop will be executed. The control will transfer to that next statement. We also know that in a break, that the break will cause processing to leave a switch. So if we have a break inside a switch after a case, the break will allow us to get out of the switch. A continue causes the loop to jump to its evaluation statement. So in a while, that's at the top. In a do while, it skips over any other statements and goes to the bottom, does the evaluation to see if we have a true or false, and determines whether to go on through with the loop. A continue that's in a for loop will cause us to go to the increment or the modification section. That's that third part of a for loop. Then we go to the evaluation and decide whether to continue on with the loop or not. A return removes us from a function, backs us out of a function after we've called into it. If a return is in main, then control returns back to the operating system, and that ends the program. And then a goto, we've seen that with our labeled expressions. A goto jumps immediately to the labeled expression and jumps over any other code that is going on, and if it's from inside a loop to outside a loop, then all of the looping construction is torn down and we continue on wherever the labeled expression was. Break, continue, return, and goto are the jump statements.